I'm Ellen, and today I'm going to show you how to bake vegan oatmeal craisin cookies. So, I've taken the liberty of mixing up the ingredients already. In this bowl, we have 1 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a scant 1/8 of a teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg. I'm just going to stir this together now. Make sure that everything is nice and well blended. And this is the dry ingredient mixture. Now over here in the wet ingredient mixture, where sugar is usually counted as a wet ingredient, I'm not entirely sure why, but there you go. We have 2/3 of a cup of granulated sugar with 1/3 of a cup unsweetened applesauce. It's important that you use unsweetened because otherwise the cookies will come out too sweet. And we also have 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. So I'm going to stir that together now. And with this you can really see that it does get well blended, the sugar dissolves, vanilla adds a little bit of a darker tint to the applesauce. And there we go, it's all nice and well blended here. And the next step, now that we have the dry ingredients in one bowl and the wet ingredients in the other bowl, the next step is to combine the mixtures together. Pour the dry into the wet, and stir it all together until you get a stiff dough. Starting to mix together really well now. A little bit of the flour is still visible, but a few more twists of the spoon. And the other thing is, by stiff dough, you give me the thick dough. This is going to get a little bit hard to stir, and that's fine. You want the dough to hold together, you want to have cohesion, you don't want it to be runny. You do still want to be able to move it. You don't want a ball of glue. So right here, we've got a nice stiff dough, and now we're ready to fold in 1/3 of a cup of craisins. And you can definitely use raisins too if you don't care for the taste of cranberries. These are sweetened craisins, by the way. A little bit more oomph to it. Make sure that the craisins are well incorporated into your mixture, like this, so you can see that it's all very well mixed. And now comes the part where we shape the cookies. I'm going to start doing that, and when I'm done, I'll just show you what I've done so far.